Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Spirituality Navigators. Since the blessed month of Dhul Hijjah is almost upon us, we would like to share some very vital information about it. Salama, may Allah be pleased with her, narrated that Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, when you see the new moon of Dhul Hijjah, when the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah begin, and any one of you wants to offer sacrifice, let him refrain from cutting his hair and nails. This will bring us to an issue, a question that so many of people ask around, that should they along with their family also refrain from cutting their nails and hairs? Well, this ruling applies only to the one who is going to slaughter the sacrifice. Meaning, if on behalf of your family, your father is going to sacrifice, or your brother is going to sacrifice, or your husband, whoever is going to sacrifice, this particular ruling and prohibition of cutting hairs and nails applies to those persons only. Because the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, used to offer the sacrifice on behalf of the members of his household, and it is not narrated that he told them to refrain from cutting their hairs and nails. Based on this, it is permissible for the family of the person who's going to offer the sacrifice to remove their hairs, nails and skin during the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. We hope and pray that you may benefit from this beautiful hadith, and by following the blessed sunnah of our beloved Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you His mercy and closeness. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad.